Good night, sir. My name is Michael Trismon. I'm from class Accounting Morning B. Student ID 1810426388. Sitting here, I'm invited by lecturer to answer his question given. The question consists of three parts, namely question on part A, daily with the daily activities in the classroom. Question on part B deals with the accounting theory. Question on part C deals with accounting article and accounting video. I start to answer the question on part A. The first, the first question is, do you always attend the lecture of English for accounting? If yes, how often do you attend the lecture of English for accounting? And why must you attend the lecture? And what benefits have you got from attending the lecture of English for accounting? Well, my answer to the question on number one is here. Always attend English accounting courses, that is, in the presence of a full, without a single one not being followed. The reason I attend English is accounting, so I could take the final exam and also went up know the account name in English. The benefits that I can get in learning English accounting, that is, I have been able to read in English well from before, have know the names of account. Well, that's all my answer to the question number one. And then I process to the question number two. Do you do your secret assessment given? If yes, how many voice records have you done? Mention the title and explain them in short. Well, my answer to the question on number two is here. Have done 21 truth assessment. Number one, accounting. Accounting is the systematic and comprehensive recording of financial transactions pertaining to the business. Number two, an article is a piece of writing that is published in a newspaper or magazines. Number three, accounting cycle. That the accounting cycle is a collective process of identifying, analyzing, and recording the accounting event of company. Number four, accounting is important for business as a way to document financial activity and learn from the numbers. Number five, in financial accounting, an asset is any resource owned by the business, anything tangible or intangible that can be owned or controlled, the product value and that is held by a company to produce positive economic value is an asset. Number six, accounting basis. This explain of accounting basis will introduce you to you to some basis accounting principles, accounting concept, and accounting terminology. Number seven, A balance sheet is a financial statement that reports a company asset, liability, and shareholders' equity at a specific point in time, and profits a basis for computing rate of return and evaluating its capital return. Number 8. The general purpose of the financial statement is provide information about the result of operation, financial positioning, and flows of an organization. Number 9. A liability account that refers the assessment amount that a company will have to spend to repair or replace a product during its warranty period. Number 10. A business entity is an organization that uses economy, resource or input to develop goods or service to customer is exchanged for money or other good and service. Number 11. Financial accounting is the process of recording, summarizing, and reporting the merit of transactions resulting from business operating over a period of time. Number 12. A mortgage fiat is the liability of a property owner to pay a loan that is secured by property from the perspective of the borrowers, and mortgage is considered a long-term liability. Number 310. Long-term liability definition. Obligation of the enterprise that are not payable within 1 year of the balance sheet data. Two examples are bonds payable and long-term notice payable. Number 14. The word most popular free-only dictionary with definition. Spell checks, word organizing, example sentence, audio processing, word of the day, and more. Number 15. Current liabilities are a company. Debts or regulations that are due within 1 year or within a normal operating cycle. Number 17. Rating liability definition. Liability accounting the referred estimate amount that a company will have to spend to repair or replace a product during its warranty period. The liability amount is recorded at the time of the sale. Number 18. TP and front of business. A business active in organizing that uses economy, resource, or input to profit good or service to customer in exchange for money or other goods and service. Number 19. Business organizing. An anti-format for the purpose of creating on commercial enterprise, such an organizing in predicate on system of law governing contact and exchange, property right and incorporation. Number 20. A mortgage payable is the liability of a property owner to pay a loan that is secured by property from the perspective of the borrower. The mortgage is considered a long-term liability. Number 21. Liability. A liability in general is an obligation to or something that you want somebody else. Well, that's all my answer to the question number 2. And then I process to the question number 3. You have been asked to sing to song in group and video record your song. Mention the titles of your song and explain that the song tell you. Well, my answer to the question on number 3 is her song title I Wake Up, which is said from the lyric of the song is after waking up, washing your face, brush, brush your teeth, combing your hair, eating breakfast, and going starting to school. That that's the activity he always does every morning. Song title Brother John. What the lyric say is whether John's brother is still asleep or not, the morning bell ring. Well, that all my answer to the question number 3. And then I process to the question number 4. Do you do video record in English for accounting? If yes, mention the title of the article and the video you have video record and explain is short every article or video you have video record. How many video record have you done? Why? Well, my audience, my answer to the question on number 4 is her. I did video recording of accounting English translating 2020 the first. I did video recording of accounting English translating 20 the first. Number 1. General Journal. A general journal is used to record a current journal entries that cannot be processed in a more efficient manner. For example, checks written, sales invoice issued, purchase invoice received, and others that can be recorded in a computer accounting system when then documents are processed. Number 2. Managerial accounting. Managerial accounting, also known as cost accounting, is the process of identifying, measuring, analyzing, interpreting, and communicating information to manager for the pursuit of an organizing goals. Number 3. Information about the transaction and event of business is captured and summarized into press report. They are used set by person interested in the entity, but you likely do not realize the complexity of accomplishing these tasks. Number 4. Financial accounting. Consider that financial accounting is target toward a broad base of external users. None of one control the actual preparation of report or have access.